Did you like your peaches and peas? Oh, you want some more? You want some more? Zuma, 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 zuma. Yum, 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 yum. What do you think? More? Zoom, 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 zoom. All down your face. Oh, spitting it out. Want some more? There you go. Some more? Yum! No, don't grab the camera with your messy hands. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh. What do you think about the peas? Are you telling Mama a story? Huh? What's so funny? Are you gonna eat your thumb now? Oh, there go the peas. No, you crazy bean. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm gonna tickle your feet. Whoa! What are you talking about? Yeah? What? What's over there? You see the menorah? Oh, pee time again. Well, you need a nap, huh? That's a nap pose. Where are you going? Where are you going? That can't be good for your back. Okay. Here, let's try a little bit more. We only have a little bit left. Yeah? You little GQ baby, posing for the camera. Huh? Do you want any more? Oops. On Mama's pants. No? Okay. Want to say bye-bye? Uh-huh. Say bye-bye, camera. Okay. Bye-bye.